Okay, in this example, we're going to look at simplifying a rational expression. Remember, number one rule is always look for some factoring methods. The first type of factoring you always look for is GCF, and then if you don't have that, you go to one of your other forms that you know. So when I'm looking at the numerator, it looks like this has 4 terms, so I would try grouping. The denominator has 3 terms, so I would do a trinomial. Looks like nothing, no GCFs involved in this at all. So on the grouping one, remember we do the first 2 and the last 2. So I'm going to pull out the x squared, or factor out the x squared. That would leave me x plus 4. Now the last 2 there, it looks like the only thing I can pull out is a -1, which would switch those to x plus 4 as well. The denominator looks more trinomial, so I went x and x. And then what's going to multiply to be that -4, but add to be 3, I would say +4 and -1. So 4 minus 1 is 3, but 4 times -1 is -4. Okay, let's keep going up here on top on my grouping. I would have x squared minus 1 and x plus 4. In the denominator, I have x plus 4 and x minus 1. Okay. We are going to have to continue to factor the top, though, because if you notice the x squared minus 1, that's our difference of 2 squares. So I can break that one down to x minus 1, x plus 1, and then I have my denominator of x plus 4, x minus 1. We do want to look for our excluded values, so your domain, in this case, we're going to look for x's not equal to -4, or +1, because those would make our denominator 0, and you cannot divide by 0, that's undefined. Once we kind of got our domain, remember we're looking for values in the numerator, or factors in the numerator and the denominator that we can combine to become 1. So anything divided by itself is 1. So I see I have an x minus 1 there and an x minus 1 on the denominator. Those would, x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 is 1. So I can cross those out. The other pair that I see that matches is x plus 4 and x plus 4. So again, any number divided by itself is going to become 1, and so therefore we can just kind of cross it out. So my answer would be x plus 1 for x not equal to -4 or 1. So we want to make sure we're saying that domain in our answer as well.